Hello everyone. Today we will see what's database. A database is a collection of organized information or data that is stored in computer. So it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. It's like a digital filing system where you can store and find information quickly. We'll see key features of database. First feature is organized in structure. Data is usually organized in the form of tables with rows and columns like a spreadsheet, making it easy to sort and search the data. Database is efficient for retrieval. You can quickly find specific information by searching the data in the database. Management. You can add, edit, or delete information as you need it. For example, let's say a library catalog. Instead of flipping through bookshelves, a database lets you type in the title or author, quickly find the book you are looking for. Types of databases: relational database and NoSQL database. The relational database, the data is stored in tables with a relationship between them, like a phone book. When we talk about NoSQL database, it stores data in more flexible way, often used for handling large amount of unstructured data. For example, MongoDB, Cassandra are example of NoSQL databases. Why databases are important? The database helps organizations store and manage large amount of data and of information. Databases allows easy data retrieval for reporting, decision making, and operations. In short, a database is a system for storing and managing information in a way that make it easy to access and update. That's it. Thank you for watching.